Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Okay, we are back with the M18 Smartwatch, also known as the T16 Smartwatch. So we will explore more about the wearable, especially the menus and features of the smartwatch. Okay, we'll check each function especially the health and fitness feature of the M18 or the T16 smartwatch. So if you have any questions regarding this wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if we do have that time. Okay, let's start and explore the M18 smartwatch. Okay, also known as the T16 smartwatch. Again, we have here a beautiful screen display and watch face. Okay, for the UI, on top we have the quick settings, including the information here. So let's check. We have here the M18. And on the left side, we have the split screen. On the bottom part, we have the message notifications, and on the right side we have the main features. Okay, so we have the heart rate, blood pressure, blood oxygen, sleep monitoring, music control, and weather. Okay, this is I think this is female physiological. On the bottom part, again, it is the message notifications. If you want to access the function or the menus, the main menu, just press the power button. Okay, so we have here the main features. We have the sports. So sports included are running outdoors, indoor running, walking. Wow, we also have swimming, cycling, skipping rope, spinning, sit-ups, yoga, dance, basketball, hiking, volleyball, tennis, badminton, gymnastic, hockey, boating, table tennis, football, baseball, and I guess that's it. How many sports do we have? Okay, let's check it again. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and 21. 21 sports function. Okay, let's check. So it monitors for what? Let's see. So it monitors for the time, steps, distance, calories, and beats per minute. Stop. Okay, we have the state here. So this is the activity tracking, automatic activity tracking, and it will show you also the last 7 days activity. We have the heart rate with 24-hour heart rate monitoring, and it can also detect whether you are wearing it properly or not. Okay, I have to go back. Okay, blood pressure, we also have blood oxygen. You have sleep monitoring, weather, music control, message notifications, alarm, telephone. So telephone, we have support for contact, record, and dial pad. That is the Bluetooth call. We have breath training, voice assistant, physiological cycle, drainage setting. We have menu style. How many do we have? We have 4. Okay, menu style 1, style 2, and style 3 and 4. So we have here some bubble type, circular style, and list style. We have turn on the screen. Okay, digital clock or pointer clock. Okay, we'll pick this one. After pointing, it will shorten the battery. I guess this is the always on display mode. You have the brightness, display time, let's adjust. Screen stays on. Okay, we have vibration, bedside lamp mode, language support. So we have different languages here. Shut down, restore factory, and about. Okay, so this smartwatch is loaded with the basic and some good features here, like swimming for the sports. Okay, we also have a support for women's physiological cycle here. We also have a breath training and a Bluetooth function. We also have a weather, music control, blood oxygen monitoring. So let's see about the blood pressure. Okay, we also have that one. So to go back after this. Okay, seems like it will not go back. All you have to do is just press the power button here. Okay, how about the heart rate? Let's see. Can it detect how many seconds or minutes before it shows the result? Let's see. Okay, so we have here 73 beats per minute. Seems like we do have a continuous. Okay, it stopped. So we have 78 beats per minute. Okay, so far it works. We'll see if that result is good or not if we compare it with other wearables. Okay, but so far our M18 here, or the T16 Smartwatch, do have some good features. Okay, so you get the basics, simple design, and so far it is an affordable smartwatch. Okay, and it has a good sensor here for its heart rate and blood pressure, as it will not monitor your heart rate or blood pressure if you don't wear the smartwatch. Okay, it's not a fake sensor or just random sensor. Again, if you have any questions regarding the wearable, just drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries if you do have that time. Bye.